The beauty of investing is whilst you're working hard for your family, your money is also working hard for you. Hi good people, I'm Tariro, a mom, a tax professional and a finance mentor. I teach women, especially those who manage family finances, how to save, invest and build calm, confident wealth. If you ever felt like investing isn't for me, I totally understand because it can sometimes feel intimidating and complicated, especially when you're managing kids, bills, and everything in between. But here's the truth, you don't have to be an expert to start investing or have thousands of pounds saved. All you need to do is know how to take that first intentional step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start investing in the UK and grow your money tax-free, even when you're starting small. So you may be wondering, what is investing and why does it matter? Investing is buying assets such as shares or funds that have the potential to grow in value or earn you income over time. For example, when you buy a share of a company, you own a tiny piece of that business. If it grows or becomes more profitable, then your share increases in value. And the beauty of investing is whilst you're working hard for your family, your money is also working hard for you. So why is investing important? It's because if your money is sitting in a regular savings account, inflation slowly reduces its buying power. Investing helps your money keep up with and ideally outpace inflation, allowing you to build wealth, security, and a peace of mind for your family's future. And now you may be wondering, how does the stock market work? The stock market feels scary, but it's quite simple once you understand the basics. When you're buying a stock, you're buying a share of that company. If the company performs well, then your share may grow in value. But if the company struggles, then the value may drop. But here's the thing, you don't have to buy individual stocks because that's risky and time consuming. Instead, you can invest in index funds or ETFs. These are collections of many different companies bundled together. Let's think of it like a basket of fruits, your fruits being your companies. Instead of investing in one apple, which is a stock, you invest in a basket with many different types of fruits, which is an ETF. This helps you to spread your risk, so if one company performs badly, the other ones will balance it out. Most ETFs track the entire market, like the FTSE 100, which is the 100 biggest UK companies, or the S&P 500, which are the 500 biggest US companies. Over time, markets like these have historically gone up despite some short-term dips, which is why long-term investing works. And now that you know what investing is, you may be wondering, how can I start investing? First thing, you have to open a stocks and shares ISA. This is one of the best tools for UK investors. It allows you to invest up to £20,000 a year, and any growth and dividends that you earn from that investment is tax-free. That means no capital gains tax, no dividends tax. All the returns that you earn are yours to keep. There are different brokerage companies that you can open a stocks and shares ISA with, including Trading 212, Vanguard or Free Trade. And it only takes a few minutes to set up. Second, you then now need to choose what to invest in. If you're new to this, start by investing in an ETF or an index fund that track a large market like the FTSE 100 or the S&P 500. This gives you instant diversification, which means that your money is spread across hundreds of companies automatically. Step 3. Start small and stay consistent. You can begin with as little as £25 or £50 per month. Set up automatic deposits so that your investment can happen in the background even when life gets busy. Now let's talk about the part that no one likes. What happens when things go wrong? The truth is, the stock market will go up and down, and sometimes your account will show red numbers, and that's okay. Dips and corrections are okay. In fact, that's part of how investing works. What matters is staying calm, keeping a long-term mindset, and continuing to invest regularly. The biggest mistake beginners make is panicking and selling at the bottom. But if you stay invested, history shows that markets recover and they usually grow stronger. Investing isn't gambling, it's patience and discipline. And the longer you stay in the game, the more confident and calm you'll feel. If this video made you confident in starting your investment journey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with another woman who carries the family. I post weekly videos teaching women, especially those managing family finances, how to save, invest, and build calm, confident wealth. Remember that wealth is not built overnight. It's built one intentional, consistent step at a time. Leave a comment in the section below. Have you opened the stocks and shares ISA already, or are you about to start your investment journey? I would love to hear where you're at.